Dear students, as we learned from previous classes, a cell is a tiny mass of protoplasm which is surrounded by a membrane and is capable of performing all functions of life. A typical cell is formed of three parts: cell membrane or plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. When we observe cell under a compound microscope, we could observe cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. What is cell membrane? As you know that cell membrane is outermost membrane or outermost covering of the cell. It is just like a walls of the room. We know that walls protects us from the external environmental conditions like heat, rain, etc. Exactly the same way, cell membrane also protects the cell from external environment. And the cell, it is made of a bilayer of lipids and proteins, or it is composed of a phospholipid bilayer, which is two layers of phospholipids back to back. Phospholipids are lipids with a phosphate group attached to them. Now you can copy down cell membrane and the structure of cell membrane to your notebook. And cell membrane, outermost envelope surrounding the cell that separates and protects the cell from the external environment and provides a connecting system between the cell and its environment. Structure. It is made of a bilayer of lipids and protein. Carbohydrates are attached at places to outer surfaces of lipids and protein. Please copy down to your notebook. Now we are moving on to the characteristics of plasma membrane. It is thin, elastic, and flexible. The flexibility enables the cell to engulf food, and such a process is called endocytosis. Amoeba acquires its food through such processes. Then plasma membrane is living because it is composed of lipids and proteins. Then it is outermost covering. As we discussed, it protects cell from its external environment. Then it holds the content of the cell. That way it helps in packing the organelles of the cell in an organized manner. Then it provides a definite shape. Facilitates movement of some materials because it is selectively permeable membrane. It allows the exchange of only specific substances between different cells and the environment. The property of the cell membrane of permitting only specific substance is called selective permeability. So flexibility enables the cell to engulf. Plasma membrane is flexible because it regulates gases and water from inside and outside the cell, and it have to perform endocytosis, in which large particles of food and water get inside the cell and some out of the cell, as we discussed, the process is known as endocytosis. Amoeba acquires its food through endocytosis. Then plasma membrane, it's composed of lipids and proteins. Now you can copy down the question and find the answer from your textbook and write it in your notebook. Thank you.